Hi folks, welcome to week 5 of the semester. We're a quarter of the way through already and it's flying by. I hope that you all had a good time doing the disability packet. As I stated, I was really disappointed that you weren't able to watch the FAT video, but just trying to experience and understand the different types of students that are present in your class is huge as you become a teacher. This week, I'm pushing you into the notion of standardized assessments and assessments as a whole. This is a huge part of teaching, and it can also be hugely informative for you. So there's a couple things at play this week to consider while you're doing the readings. One is No Child Left Behind no longer exists, and they've introduced ESSA, which is the Every Student Succeeds Act. As you all move into the profession, this is something that's going to impact you. Now, ESSA is a wonderful segue from the unit that we just talked about with learners of exceptionalities. And this is because within this new law, rather than making every student reach proficient, we're now asking for as if I'm with USDOE, but they're just simply asking to show growth. So, if they're scoring at basic, just show that they've moved. If they're at exceptional or above, show that they've moved. So it's really nice to consider, especially when you know that there simply are some students that won't ever be at proficient, but it doesn't mean they can't learn. So I'm really excited about that. The other component of this is you knowing how to assess and knowing when you need to adjust your teaching. And there's two big components of this. There's informal assessment, and then there's formal assessment. Informal might be me just popping around the classroom, asking you questions just to check your knowledge. And then formal might be the end of the unit test or the semester exam. Those are two different types of exams. We have summative and we have formative. Summative is at the end. It's the summary. Formative, however, it happens as you go along. And you, as a teacher, this is how you can adjust and inform your teaching. So while data might not be your favorite thing, it can indeed be very helpful, and it shouldn't just be punitive. At the end of this week, I'm going to post some interesting things that are sent home from parents regarding assessments in K-12 schools. And I would love to get your feedback on it and your reactions. But I will post those probably on Thursday, and then have you all chat about them over the weekend. If you want to give your take, I'd be more than happy to have you record Kaltura videos, which you can, instead of writing, whatever you're comfortable with. I just would love to see your faces, because I miss this being a face-to-face class. While there's no discussion yet, there will be one posted on Thursday, and I hope you all have a good week.